is Transport Month. This month provides an opportunity to raise awareness of the important role that the manufacturing of vehicles plays in the economy and the economic benefits of the sector. This year, ISUZU Motors South Africa launched the 7th generation D-Max Bakkie, investing millions to support component localization. This investment has seen many economic benefits, including the creation of jobs and development of local component suppliers.
The first most important part that I think our customers need to understand is ISUZU Motors South Africa, as a responsible corporate citizen, is committed to the economic growth of South Africa as well as creating jobs in the market. And as a result, 580 million rands has been invested with local suppliers in localizing some of the components for supply.
In terms of the 7th generation D-Max investment, we broke it up into localization of components, plant and machinery related investment, as well as investment required from engineering to develop and validate the product. First of all, we were allowed to bring in new technology. So if you look at the levels of automation in the plant, in the new body shop and in the new chassis line, significant increase in automation. And immediately when you talk about automation, you think there's less people. We've actually grown our workforce despite the high levels of automation. Automation makes it easier to control quality capability in the plant. Every vehicle that comes off the line is exactly the same. Dimensions are extremely accurate and deliver quality day by day, hour by hour.
We follow a very rigorous process in identification or selection of our potential partners or suppliers to be working with. We've worked with over 100 component manufacturers to localize our components, and that helps a lot in terms of making a difference in our economy in South Africa.
So we are Acoustics. We are based in Port Elizabeth, Leaf Township. We are an automotive supplier to all OEMs in South Africa. Our product ranges from floor carpets to sound deadeners to insulators, and we currently a supplier to ISUZU Motors South Africa for their floor carpet range in their D-Max. So the relationship with ISUZU is really big for us. Remember, we won this business during the COVID period, and our biggest issue was, were we going to let people go and lose jobs? But because of the contract that was awarded to us, we could maintain every single job in the company and also employ new people, new skill sets, quality people, technical people, project-specific people. We invested close to 40 million rand worth of equipment and tooling into the project behind us. ISUZU is very focused on supporting local, and so are we.
We've been bringing in components from abroad, and as a result of the localization work that we've done, it means that we will be importing fewer and fewer parts. Since 2021 Q1, the freight costs have increased by over 400% of all incoming components, and localization has really helped us to minimize on that cost.
So the product offering with the 7th generation is very different to the 6th generation. You know, whether it's a family kind of vehicle, whether it's a business vehicle, a dual purpose vehicle, you will find the right vehicle with the right powertrain, right configuration, and the right features for you. And that's where ISUZU have been really successful. We certainly think that we've ticked the box there, and the 1.9 in these entry-level models, with the safety and all the technology, will certainly meet their requirements.